Yo, them dancehall artists are not easy, In the latest fuckery, mockery, gimmicks in dancehall, artist Real Overdose holds his own funeral. Believe me, people, I could not or would not make this up, but I find it weirdly interesting. So even though it's not one of my channel's proudest moment, for some strange reason I thought I should share it. Let's take a look. I don't know if this is a commercial ad for the funeral home advertising their new comfortable satin-clad Gucci coffins. I don't think this was a video shoot unless he was doing a video for a Garnet Sills cover song based on the music I am hearing in the background. It seems as if nothing is out of bounds, nothing is too taboo anymore. People will take the most serious things and take them for a joke. Is he acting out his own funeral, or is it some new sort of death insurance policy that he is practicing for? I don't know, please tell me. First impression is that this is a publicity stunt and artists are willing to try just about anything to bust. But can we blame them, as this seems to be the new trend and formula for success in dancehall? In closing, what do you think about this new wave of dancehall artists? Are they getting kinda weird, or are they making dancehall more interesting? Let me know, leave a comment and let me know what you think. Bless up.